Welcome to my channel. If you are not yet a member, please subscribe. Derivation of quadratic equations formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Let the general quadratic equations be a x square plus bx is equal to 0 where is not equal to 0. Then, a x square plus bx is equal to negative c as we transpose c. Then we get x square plus b by a x is equal to negative c by a as we divide both sides by a. Adding b by 2a the whole square to both sides to make LHS perfect square, we get x square plus b by a x plus b by 2a the whole square is equal to b by 2a the whole square minus c by a. Therefore x plus b by a the whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then by square roots we get x plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Hence the roots of the given equations are minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Hence we got the required equation. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notifications bell not to miss any of my new videos. See you soon.